Hi, my name is Bruce, the Blind Man Handyman, and I wanted to show you how to fix your fuel line if it got damaged. My fuel line got damaged. See right here? All right, sorry, I'm blind, so the little pieces that lock tabs, they are broke out of this one. But I took one out of another fuel line a few minutes ago using my heat gun, and I found this off another fuel tank. It's got the same angle and everything out of a parts truck I got, and I'm going to take it off and you can watch me do it. I'm guessing the angle is good. I'm hoping anyway. Okay, that's probably close. How I could tell is I have my phone on the voiceover and it said one face near top edge. So I gotta put some gloves on because it's hot. This is a F550 2012. Where'd the heat gun go? Now I can't see, I'm 100% blind. Pretty sure you could do a better job than me. The trick is to heat this outer liner and not cook my fuel line inside. It's not that hot, it was something in the glove, steel. Not hot enough, but it's almost there. This is my damaged fitting. I don't care about it. I just don't want to hurt my hose. There she goes. Now you gotta do it while it's still hot. That one's out. And this one's in. Now my hose is repaired. You can spin these around. I noticed that. So if you're stuck and they don't make these fuel lines anymore or they're discontinued, that's how I just fixed it. I didn't damage it, so even if I have to put a clamp on that, well, I got the special wire stuff that I use, but you know what? That's sealed up pretty good. I'll find out if I get air. So this is the other end, and you can see this has never been touched, but see these turn too, even though they're brand new. Squeaky, squeaky. I mean, it's never been used. So this one here, now all I gotta do is put, now I had the other one heat up a lot. And yeah, this one here might have been heated up a bit much too. But it's not collapsing, and sure if I wanted to I could make, I don't even, not even sure if I did anything there or not, but yeah, I might have. But I could still clamp that anyway. But better than having to buy a new hose, a new pipe that doesn't exist anymore, barely. So yeah, I could change the braided cable, but you know, this is just as good. All right, blind man, handyman out. I thought that looked pretty cool. You have a good day now. If I can find the phone.